Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix EAFC24 entering a match has been temporarily disabled error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So to fix the entering a match has been temporarily disabled error, you must ensure that the Norwegian and the Lion striker, Ada Hegerberg, is not in your squad. So this includes the starting XI bench, reserve. So there is a bug with the Hegerberg, causing her to randomly run away from the ball whenever players attempt to use a skill move with her. So this issue has been affecting players in the Ultimate Team, and due to this bug, the developers were forced to temporarily turn off matchmaking for those using her item. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.